Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're making something absolutely delicious. Crispy chicken pakora accompanied by mint chutney or ketchup. Chicken pakora is known for its crunchy texture and flavourful, spicy taste, making it a favourite street food and party dish. Chicken pakora is a popular Indian and Pakistani deep-fried snack made with boneless chicken pieces, marinated in a spiced gram, flour batter and deep-fried until golden and crispy. This is a perfect snack for any time of the day. It's spicy, crunchy and packed with flavour. It is often served as an appetizer or tea time snack. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Chicken Pakora. So, let's get started. First things first, grab about 500 grams of boneless chicken and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Add salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1/2 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala for that extra zing. Pinch of yellow food colour. It's totally optional. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. 1/2 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. 1/2 teaspoon carom seeds. 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds. 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds. 7 to 8 chopped curry leaves optional. For some extra heat, throw in 2 to 3 chopped green chillies. Squeeze some lemon. Mix everything well. Combined well, add 1/2 cup gram flour, 1/3 cup plain flour, 1/4 cup rice flour, 1/8 cup corn flour to the marinated chicken. Crack 1 large egg in it. This combination gives us that signature crispy texture. Gradually add water. Add water in batches as required. Bring everything together. Add a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. Now again, add a tiny splash of water, just enough to coat the chicken pieces evenly. The batter should be thick, not runny. All pieces are coated well. Add dash of oil. Combine well. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, but if you have time, leave it overnight for even better flavours and texture. Alright, it's time to heat up some oil for frying. Take a deep pan and fill it with enough oil for deep frying. Check with skewer when bubbles appear around the skewers, which means oil is ready. Now that our chicken is well marinated, it's time to fry. Once the oil is hot, drop in the chicken pieces one by one, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Stir and flip occasionally for even frying. Fry on low to medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy. Once done, remove it. Time to plate. Dish out. Hear the crunchiness. And for the final touch, sprinkle a little chaat masala on top. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Add fried green chillies. Crush some fried curry leaves, optional. Hear the crunchiness. And there you have it. Your crispy, spicy chicken pakoras are ready. Let me show you the final results. Serve them hot with some mint chutney or ketchup and enjoy the crunch. Let me show you another one. Every single pakora is crispy from outside, tender and juicy from inside. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us, and see you next time for another delicious recipe. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.